Good morning viewers, welcome to another one. Here we're going to do an unboxing of my gold cube. I'm pretty excited to get this set up. I've got a pile of dirt ready to run through it, so I had to get this done so that you can see it. Pretty well packed. I give them credit for that, they packed it well. This should be the stand, I do believe. I'll open that in a minute. Let's see if I can hook this like a handle and pull it out. No, I'm not to tear the bottom down. Exciting. They packed it really well. They've even put these corner pieces on just to protect it. I'm impressed. I've never seen anything packed so safely and so securely. Don't know why they put this tape on here for. Oh, that's just to hold it all together. Okay, so what we have is a 3-tier gold cube. There's one tier, and it's got matte on top, so this must be the top one, unless they've all got it. I don't know. There's the hose. Instructions. There's no mat there. No, there's mat on that one too. And the last one, no mat on the last one. Actually, that looks like the first one because it's got the thing here for the water to come out of, and there's the hole. Interesting. So it's sort of smooth, but there's some texture to it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move all the paper out the way, cardboard, and set up a crate and put this on the tub and we'll set it up. Alright, so this is all set up as best I can. I'm not real sure how the frame's supposed to go because I can't get it to sit inside of either one of these tubs. This tub is narrower than this. This is a standard meat tub, so they should be the same size for everywhere. I would have thought that this frame would be designed to sit inside a tub. Even though it's extendable long ways, it's not extendable width ways. So it doesn't fit outside or it doesn't fit inside. I've had to put it over 2 tubs, just in case it catches any water over here. But there's the pump, 1100 gallons per minute, per hour. And I need a car battery, or I'm going to use a computer power supply to run it. So there's a clip onto that. The hose goes into the back here, screws in, comes out these jets here, runs down, and then the next 2 have got mats on them. I'm a little bit disappointed because the instructions say it should have vortex mat, and if that's what they say should be with it, then it should be with it. Instead they've used what looks like doormat. So I'll be going back to the shop and asking him, or writing to the people and asking them where my vortex mat is. However, that's what it is. So this is the mat that comes with it. Maybe close up of that. and it's the same on the next one down. So in theory, what happens, for those who don't know, is the water will come down the first ramp, and this is pretty deep, this channel. It can't go anywhere except the lights would tunnel around and vibrate around in there and then come down this one. And then the same thing on the bottom one. There's another one of these deep channels. So any heavies would get caught in there or in there. And it theoretically shouldn't be any gold getting out. You can buy a 4-tier. I don't know why you would need a 4-tier. And it was going to cost me like an extra $100 and something just for one more tray. So I just got the 3-tier. But between the 2 lots of matting and those 2 deep channels, I would think that's enough. So there you go. There's my gold cube. It's set up as best I can. If someone knows of a different way it's set up, please let me know. And I'm going to give it a shot now and use it to run some dirt through. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.